If the stressor is perceived beyond our control, we prefer emotion-focused method. The following emotion-focused coping strategies are commonly used to manage a stressful situation. Denial of reality. Sportsmen face various stressful situations in their daily life. For managing or reducing the intensity of a stressful situation, they deny the reality. The denial of existence of the threat or problem can have a negative consequence in the same way as not receiving the right medical treatment on the time when symptoms only begin to appear. For example, an ostrich hides his head in the sand whenever he feels any danger. Blame. Sportsmen also use this technique or strategy whenever they confront with any stressful situations. Sometimes they blame themselves and sometimes others. If they fail to present a good performance in a competition, they may also blame the unsuitable environment or referee, umpires or equipment, etc. Vent out emotion. To vent out emotion, it is good a strategy to reduce or manage the stressful situation. It is very simple technique which is used commonly. Whenever a painful stressful situation is shared with the other person, the level of stress is reduced. Often person are more happy when they talk to someone or vent out their emotions, mentally disengaging from the stressful situation. This is one of the best technique or strategies to reduce the intensity of a stressful situation. That is why most of the sportsperson choose to mentally disengage from the stressful situation by oversleeping, daydreaming, or just by dealing up with the stressful situation completely. By giving up dealing with the stressful situation completely. It alleviates the level of mental involvement and owing that one feels less distress for the time being. Praying for guidance and assistance. By praying for guidance and assistance, some sportsperson try to reduce intensity of negative and distressed emotion that stressful situations has caused. This method technique is probably dependent upon faith and belief of the individual. Crying. This strategy technique is most significant technique to alleviate the stressful situation during sports competition. Most of the sportsperson use crying technique whenever they are under competition stress. So it is best to try and cry in stressful situation. A good cry can be effective and healthy way to bring relief and relaxation and to elevate your level of stress and relaxation to elevate your level of stress and anxiety. Brooding. Sometimes sportsperson use this emotion focused coping technique or strategy. Usually during the competition or training, they do say no or they don't object to the decision of the coaches or referee, but later on they brood over the decision. They keep on complaining, saying that it was unfair, ignoring the stressful situation. Sometimes sportsperson ignore this stressful situation in hope that it will go away automatically with the passage of time. This technique is appropriate because it also uses the fact that you can fly on the wings of imagination for a short period.